everyone. So, the last one didn't record sound, so we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna go over here. I'm not gonna point out too much code. I'm just gonna go ahead and show that it works locally. We can do docker compose up. And now if we navigate to we get, nice little application. That's just like a start to a 2D game. It was meant to be like a 2D online multiplayer game, but since I couldn't figure out how to, deploy it properly before, I never really continued developing it, so it's very simple right now. So, this is local. We can go ahead and stop that. And yep, goodbye. Here we have, Caprover. Our container port is set to 5000. I did that because I didn't want to have to end up putting the port number on the end of the URL. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's what I did. App configs, some environment variables, not very important. Please don't steal this information. We have port mapping, and for deployment, I just have it set up to, I've used command line, but I've just been using tar files. These ones up here are failed deployments from GitHub. I created a webhook and I did something wrong with the SSH key, which I need to go figure out a little bit later, but that's there. And this was actually, the GitHub. So just a small little repo, and not like a great readme, but it has like build passing and website up, so we know it's all good. Has a live link and simple instructions on just how to get started with it. So we could go to the live link, and you can see it's running on my domain name, and we can go ahead and copy this link right here and do a new web page, and we should be able to move around and hopefully find the other little black dot that's somewhere on the bottom here. There it is. So I moved into this corner and still live. I can go over and move this one over too. Yeah, so like I said, start to an online multiplayer game, but not very much developed besides just movement and the colorful background. Here we have, fresh ping monitoring our website to make sure it's always available, and we have Travis CI set up, so then it'll build our project and notify us if something went wrong. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, guys.